I want to introduce you to our newly updated NZ3000 Eco Fireplace. Some of the changes we made on the Fireplace, well, this one meets the EPA 2020 emission test. It came through with a whopping low number of 1.38 grams per hour, so it's a very clean burning catalytic fireplace. With this product, this fireplace, you get a more robust air wash system, so we know the glass is going to stay clean. We've got a cast iron baffle inside this unit, which gives you very much durability, as well as the cast iron doors give you a consistent seal, so you know you've always got a good airtight seal on the unit. The doors themselves are available in an arched black finish, as you see here, or you can get a wrought iron finish. As well, there's different surrounds to match your decor, so you can have a wrought iron surround, you can have the heritage insets you see here, or you can have a more modern inset, again, depending on your decor. Optional blower system for this unit, delivers a lot of warm air circulating around the firebox. We've got a bypass damper on the unit, and what that allows you to do is when you first light your fire and your chimney's cold and your fireplace is cold, you pull the damper forward, you put on your kindling, light your fire, chimney heats up, establishes a draft, you close off the bypass damper. Now the smoke and energy bypasses, goes through the catalytic combustor, giving us our highest efficiency. And we have a monitor comes with this fireplace, and the monitor is a digital monitor. It tells the homeowner, the operator, what level they're operating their fireplace, so they can make sure they're getting the most efficient and clean burn out of the NZ3000. Here we have the much anticipated S25 freestanding wood stove. This medium stove in the S series line comes with over 2.5 cubic foot of firebox capacity. It burns at an amazing 76% efficiency and low rating of 1.3 grams per hour, so it far surpasses the 2020 ruling from the EPA. What that means for the homeowner, fewer trips to the wood pile and longer burn times. Unique with this technology is the fact that you're getting 1.3 grams on a non-cat stove that rivals any other catalytic product out there. Just like all our other S-Series stoves, we have hidden hinges that are very attractive. The cast iron door, cast iron ash lip, and the Easy Glide ash pan makes it very easy to clean out. And when you add the optional blower kit, you've got extra heat for your living space. Fully lined firebox with fire brick, and the baffle system is made of ceramic fiber for long durability. Now I want to show you the insert version of the S25. The S25 insert also has a 2.5 cubic foot firebox with great efficiency numbers. Different from the stove, the insert includes, of course, your standard blower, and you have an option for the face plates and the backer plate to cover the opening of the existing non-efficient fireplace that you're wanting to replace. The S25 insert is an excellent replacement for any existing inefficient fireplace insert or drafty open fireplace. Unique features to the insert include dual heat circulating blower system. Also included is a choice of standard or large faceplate to cover the existing opening.